The fountain of youth within. Understanding stem cells. Our bodies hold a remarkable secret, a key to healing and regeneration. Stem cells. These unique cells act as the body's raw materials, capable of transforming into various specialized cells. They are the foundation for growth, repair, and renewal throughout our lives. Imagine a construction crew, always ready to repair damage and build new structures. That's what stem cells do within us, constantly replenishing our organs and tissues. They are essential for maintaining our body's vitality and resilience. Understanding the significance of stem cells unlocks a world of possibilities for improving human health. By supporting their function, we tap into our body's natural ability to heal and thrive. This is where the power of nutrition comes into play. Aging and the dwindling powerhouse stem cell decline. As we age, our bodies undergo a natural decline, and sadly, our stem cells are not immune to this process. Their ability to proliferate and differentiate diminishes, leading to slower repair and a greater susceptibility to age-related diseases. This decline is a major contributor to the visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles and decreased mobility. More importantly, it compromises our body's capacity to heal from injuries and fight off illness. The good news is that we can influence the rate of stem cell decline through lifestyle choices. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management all play a role in preserving these vital cells. In particular, certain natural drinks have shown remarkable potential in boosting stem cell activity, offering a delicious and accessible way to support our body's regenerative power. Nature's elixir drinks that rejuvenate. Nature provides us with an abundance of ingredients that can positively impact our health, and stem cell support is no exception. Certain drinks, rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, and other beneficial compounds, have demonstrated significant potential in promoting stem cell production and activity. These drinks, often derived from fruits, vegetables, and herbs, work through various mechanisms to enhance stem cell function. They protect stem cells from oxidative damage, stimulate their proliferation, and enhance their ability to differentiate into specific cell types. Incorporating these beverages into our daily routine can contribute to a holistic approach to well-being, supporting our body's natural healing mechanisms and promoting longevity. Let's delve into some of these potent elixirs and understand the science behind their remarkable benefits. Green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse for stem cell support. A staple in traditional medicine for centuries, green tea boasts an impressive profile of antioxidants, particularly a group of polyphenols known as catechins. These potent compounds have been shown to protect stem cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to their decline. One particular catechin, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, stands out for its remarkable ability to stimulate the proliferation of stem cells, enhancing their capacity for repair and regeneration. Studies suggest that EGCG may even protect stem cells from damage caused by environmental toxins and radiation. Enjoy a warm cup of green tea daily, or incorporate it into smoothies and other beverages. Opt for high-quality organic varieties for maximum benefit. Remember, moderation is key, as excessive consumption may have adverse effects. Berry Bliss, anthocyanins for stem cell protection. Berries, with their vibrant colors and sweet flavors, are a delightful way to boost stem cell health. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their characteristic hues. Anthocyanins have been shown to protect stem cells from oxidative damage, preserving their ability to function optimally. They achieve this by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on cells, accelerating aging and increasing the risk of disease. Incorporate a variety of berries into your diet, enjoying them fresh, frozen, or as part of smoothies and yogurt parfaits. Aim for at least a handful daily to reap their remarkable benefits. Pomegranate power, unleashing the potential of punicalagins. The pomegranate, a symbol of health and vitality in many cultures, holds a treasure trove of beneficial compounds, particularly punicalagins. These potent antioxidants have gained significant attention for their potential to support stem cell function. Studies suggest that punicalagins, may promote the proliferation and differentiation of stem cells, enhancing their ability to repair and regenerate tissues. Additionally, they may protect stem cells from damage caused by inflammation, a key factor in many chronic diseases. Enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed pomegranate juice. Add pomegranate seeds to salads and yogurt, or incorporate pomegranate extract into your daily routine. Choose organic varieties whenever possible to minimize exposure to pesticides. The goodness of grapes, resveratrol, and stem cell enhancement. Grapes, especially red grapes, are a rich source of resveratrol, a powerful polyphenol found in their skins. Resveratrol has garnered significant interest for its potential anti-aging properties, and research suggests that its benefits extend to stem cell health. Studies indicate that resveratrol may enhance the self-renewal capacity of stem cells, promoting their longevity and ability to repair tissues. It may also protect stem cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, preserving their function and promoting overall health. Enjoy a handful of grapes as a snack, incorporate them into fruit salads, or opt for a glass of red wine in moderation. Remember, excessive alcohol consumption can have detrimental effects on health. Beyond the beverages, lifestyle choices for optimal stem cell health. While incorporating these beneficial beverages into your diet is a fantastic step, it's essential to remember that a holistic approach is key to supporting stem cell health. Lifestyle choices play a crucial role in preserving these vital cells and maximizing their potential. Engage in regular physical activity, as exercise has been shown to stimulate stem cell production and enhance their ability to repair tissues. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Manage stress through practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Chronic stress can negatively impact stem cell function, hindering their ability to regenerate and repair. A toast to vitality. Integrating stem cell boosting drinks into your routine. Integrating these stem cell boosting beverages into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start by choosing 1 or 2 drinks that appeal to you and incorporate them into your day. Experiment with different flavors and combinations to keep things interesting. Add a splash of lemon or lime to your green tea, blend berries into a smoothie, or create a refreshing pomegranate and mint spritzer. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to consume these beverages regularly to reap their long-term benefits. Over time, you'll be nourishing your body from the inside out, supporting your natural healing mechanisms, and promoting vitality. A word of caution and conclusion. While these natural drinks offer remarkable potential for boosting stem cell health, it's crucial to remember that they are not a magic bullet. They work best in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. By embracing these natural elixirs and adopting a holistic approach to well-being, we can support our body's innate healing power and unlock the potential for a healthier, more vibrant future. Cheers to a life filled with vitality and well-being.